is Rehan. What is written on the board, Rehan? Rehan. Okay, Shafiq.
Yes,
What is
sir.
written on the board?
Lesson number 12. Attractive. Exercise number 2. The girl who won the content
Contact.
context is very similar.
Smart. See, I will suggest you one thing. Whenever you are reading, you can with two fingers you can zoom in like this so that it will become easier for you. I keep full display so that whenever I'm doing something, whenever I'm going here and there, you can just see me. Anyways, in the girls class, we have solved 3 to 4 sentences of exercise number one after revising what is adjective, what are types of adjective. We will do the same here. So be ready to answer me only when I ask you the question with your name. So we will start solving this exercise after a few revision work. Okay. Yes. Someone's mic is on. This is a very last warning. Don't force me to remove you from the group. Okay, let me see the name. Okay, Nakwi. Nakwi is not there. Okay, we will count him absent. Nakwi is absent.
Yes, sir.
Then
The Quiragi was here.
no, but I cannot wait you for the 4 times. No, I cannot call you 4 times and I wait for you. This is here. I'm not for that.
Hello. Sir, because of that is my soul, that's why I can't listen.
But always it is like that. I speak and after 10 seconds you get my voice better. How will you study in this kind of network then? Okay. Yes, Seth.
Yes, sir.
Let us recall it. What is an adjective?
The girl who was the contents.
Without looking into the textbook.
Uh, the word
Whatever you feel,
girl.
see. Even if you will speak incorrect, if you give incorrect answer, I'm not going to punish you or something else. It is just that you will come to know how much do you remember. There is no, you have the answer, I know, even if you will Google it, textbook, everything is there. It is how much honest you people are to yourselves.
A word that describes a noun is called an adjective.
Explain me that definition. A word that describes the noun. So what is noun?
A mouse has a long tail.
I asked you something. My question is something different. I asked you what is noun noun.
Name.
Very good. The word which describes any name is adjective.
Yes.
So I'm giving you a sentence. Seth is notorious boy. What is adjective here?
Notorious.
Yes. This sentence is right, huh? This is not incorrect sentence. Seth is notorious boy.
No,
It is
no,
right.
no.
And Arhan is more notorious. So these two sentences are right. So notorious is adjective. Why?
because
Because
because it is described now. Because it is
it
described
describes what? It describes what?
safe.
Yes, there you are. So Seth is notorious. Boy, we all know. And notorious is an adjective because it describes Seth. And yes, so this is where the adjective stands. Now, pass the question to any other boy. Seth, select any other name. I think you should select the name to any new boy who has not got the chance.
Yes. Mohammad Shafiq Paryani.
He got the chance to answer me.
Mm, Rehan Gobrani.
He also got the chance. Thank you.
Zarina Gori.
Arman. Okay. Arman Gori.
Yes, sir.
Arman, how many types of adjectives are there?
Five.
Name first three. Without looking into the book, otherwise, you know that I will ask you the question again on that if I think that you have copied it. So, name any three. Come on. Arman, we don't have much time. I cannot shout at you or I cannot speak again and again. Quickly answer me the three types of adjectives. Okay, Arman is not answering, ma'am. Please count him absent. Okay, Saif, another name.
Mehtar Abuzar.
No, he will not know, I'm very sure.
Mohammad Hussain Ansari.
Okay, he has come today. Mohammad Hussain. See, if you people are not answering, I will ask ma'am to count you absent because when I am speaking, you are not answering. That means you are absent. There is no use of staying in the group.
Yes, sir.
Give me the types of adjectives, names. Okay, he's not answering.
Very smart.
Sir, select another name. His answer was right, but I am asking him something else. Yeah.
Yes. Mm, Re- mm, Samira Ghayal.
Kyle Mohammed Zaid.
Yes.
Are you there, Zed? Or shall we count even to you absent? Okay. Please count him absent. Yeah. Is anyone left? Or shall we repeat the names? Seth?
So, no, sir. Nothing is left.
No one is left. Nothing is used for the things. I think Nakwi will be able to answer. He's getting my voice after 10 seconds. What do we do? Nakwi Ragib. Okay.
Yes,
No.
sir. Yes, sir.
Types of adjectives. Any three types.
Yes. Any three types? Okay, sir. Demonstrative, possessive, and quantity.
Demonstrative, possessive. Okay. These are the three types Nakwi has given. Who will give me? Okay, mute your mic. Who will give me another two types?
Sir, can I have Dole?
Sir, can I be Dayal?
Yes, Tolia Ahad.
Sir, quality and number.
Here you said sir quality and number. Okay.
No, sir. Only
Then you said
quality. Only quality.
only quality. Okay, only quality.
No, no, sir.
What you're trying
Quality.
to? Huh?
Quality.
Quality is written. You said only quality, sir quality. How many adjectives you have? And then number. Right?
Yeah.
Yes. Another type. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We will write yes, guys.
No, sir.
Okay. Mute your mic. Jokes apart. So these are the five types of adjectives I have already explained you, and I even gave you the chart for that so that easily you can remember with a trick. Now comes Ayas.
Yes, sir.
Ayaz, you have few seconds to quickly explain each type in one line. As soon as I say stop, that means you have to stop on the spot.
What, sir? Sir, your voice is breaking.
Beta, I must say that stop going to the place from where you cannot hear my voice and sit at home properly. Only you have the issue all the time. So I can just request you for the thing that sit at some proper place. Are you ready or shall I ask the question to any other boy?
Okay, sir, done. Sir, what question you ask? Now I am at that network place.
Five types of adjectives are there on the board. As soon as I say stop, that means you have to stop. You have to start explaining each and every type in one or two lines. You have few seconds only, not even 1 minute. So your time starts now.
Okay, sir. Demonstrative. Demonstrative adjective means in which in which that, those, these, that comes. And next is possessive adjective. Possessive means the question asked who, how, whose. So it possesses. It gives the information about the thing is whose thing is this, and the another is quantity. Quantity means
Stop.
it
You took much
is
time.
uncountable.
Stop.
We
Stop. You took very much, long time. I thought that you had to explain in, quick, very much quickly, swiftly. That was your task. You failed. Seth, can you do?
Um, quantity.
What was
Things.
that?
Quantity means things which we brought. Which we
Okay, hold
brought.
on. Mute your mic. See, students, I'm doing, and you have to then do like me whenever you get the chance. You have to explain like this. Demonstrative theory contains four words: this, these, those, that. So it just demonstrates whose thing it is. Possessive adjective shows whose thing it is: mine, mine, his, hers, theirs, etc. Quantity shows how much it is. It doesn't show the number. Quality shows how of which quality is good, bad, very, very bad, or very, very good. It shows the quality of how the thing is, and number shows the exact number or the ranking first, second, third. So who will do like this? Come on. No one? Very bad. Very, very bad. No one will be able to do like this. Someone's mic is on. If you only want to answer, then only turn on the mic. Will anyone try? No one.
Sir,
What? Someone is speaking. Okay, at least try to explain me first three types quickly. Come on, who will do that?
just or Dulia.
Yes, Ahad. First three types. Your time starts now.
Demonstrative. Demonstrative adjective means to whom you are asking, who that, who you are asking, whose ball is this, they are saying.
You are going in the wrong way.
तो क्या होता है?
Forget about the time, but your explanation is also wrong. It is very simple, Ahad. Demonstrative adjective shows this, these, those, that. If these four words are used in the starting of the sentence, it is demonstrative adjective. Okay, Ahad, explain possessive quantity and quality quickly. Your time starts now.
Possessive, possessive means whose pen is this? You are asking whose, who, what. That words are contained possessive.
No.
Whose,
Again, you
who.
are wrong. Huh. I don't understand what you are doing, Ahad, in the classes then. If you ask a question, whose thing it is, you will get the answer. The pen is mine. Whose pen it is? Mine. So that mine word is adjective, possessive adjective. It shows whose thing it is. Now if I say this is his marker, so his is possessive adjective, shows the possession, whose it is. Please make the concept very clear before we solve the exercise. That is the reason why I started recalling the things what we have understood. Yes. Now, Shafiq,
Yes, sir.
Kalyani Shafiq, tell me what do you mean by adjective, adjective of quantity? Second time I will ask, and then third time I will count you absent. Shafiq, my question is, what is adjective of quantity? Do you know or you don't know?
So I said 2 minutes, sir.
No, I don't have 2 minutes. Why will you take 2 minutes? Because I spent two lectures in explaining you this. See, rules are
Quality,
rules in my class will not change. What is quantity? What is adjective of quantity?
quantity means
If you will read from the book, I will ask you again the questions.
quantity means
Okay, I want to eat some rice. What is adjective of quantity in this?
what, sir?
I want to eat some rice. What is adjective of quantity in this sentence?
Sir, I don't know.
Very good. What you were doing in the previous two lectures, beta? And what are you coming from? I don't understand. What are you coming for here? Quantity you don't know, which is the simple word even we use in English language normally. Yeah, who will be able to explain quantity?
Sir, can I? Vidya, yes.
Yeah.
Sir, quantity means which we refer to like count something means we can it is not it is uncountable like I can give you example. I drank I drank so much juice. So so much is the adjective of quantity because we cannot count it, but we just say that I drank so much.
Okay. Anyone else can explain?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Adjective of quantity means uh, so can I give example?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, we are going to hotel and we ordered
No, I am
five
not
things.
going. You said,
Sir,
sir, we are
I
going.
am just giving an example.
You said, sir, we are going. I am not going.
Okay. I am going to restaurant and
Why
I
you are going to
ordered.
restaurant? Lecture is going on.
Sir, I go.
Lecture
Sir,
is going on and you want to go to restaurant. This is not good.
sir, I am going to restaurant and I
Why
ordered.
you are going to restaurant? I'm telling you, lecture is going on. Is this good habit? Lecture is
Sir,
going on. You will miss the lecture.
okay. You will also come. आप
No,
भी आ
I don't want
जाओ.
to come. My lectures are there.
Leave one lecture.
Yeah, continue.
Yes, sir. I am going to. I am. I am in the restaurant and I ordered five things, such as tandoori roti, paneer tikka, and that. So that is how much I ordered.
But just now, Ahad, you said something which is contradictory to what you said now. You said I have ordered five things. Five things means it is countable. You should say that I ordered rice and there was a big bowl and big and a good quantity. Correct. So you should say that the rice I ate so much rice, or you should say I ate so much food. Now, when you say so much food, here we cannot count. If you say three naan, three chapatis, you can count that. Never give the number in the quantity. That's what it means. And I'm asking you about quantity, and you are going to restaurant. Where the topic is going?
I
Okay,
was
but good example. Good example. Okay. Yeah, Chef, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I don't know where he goes. Give me one example of quality.
Quality.
Tell Arhan to shut his mouth for a minute.
Yes. Sir, which
Quality, quality.
quality means that describe the kind of a person.
Okay. Only kind of person
A place. Not
which describes what kind of. Okay. Give me one example.
honest. Hon-
Honest. It is not honest.
oh, yes. Honest man. Honest is the quality.
Give me something new. No, give the example which is not there in the book. Come on. Be
Not
open minded.
naughty. Naughty.
Again, that is what I have already used for you. And that is truth. I said, give me one example that means in sentence. Like I gave, Seth is notorious boy.
Weak.
What?
Weak.
But give me the example in the sentence, not in one word. Saf is notorious boy. This is sentence. English notorious is adjective of quality. That shows that how Saf is.
That is a handsome man.
Are
Handsome
you
is a
talking to me? Thank you. Thank you for
yes,
the compliment.
yes.
So, handsome man. Handsome is adjective of quality. Are you sure?
What, sir? Can you repeat?
Okay. You said that is, sorry, you said Rohan is a handsome man. So, handsome is quality.
Yes.
Then what is the noun here?
And noun is man.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So, what kind of noun it is?
What kind of noun it is?
See, Rohan is proper noun because it is a name, right? Man is name,
Common.
common noun, exactly. So, in all, I hope you understood this. Shall we start with the exercise? Sash, what is the time, beta?
9:16.
Who was that?
9:17.
You
9:17.
know, in Big Boss, it comes. This kind of announcements you are making. Anyways, students, those who are having textbook, open exercise number 2. Those who are not having the textbook, please write this sentence. If you are ready with your textbook or the rough book, say yes sir, your name and then mute your mic.
Yes,
Sir,
Sadia Muhammad says.
yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
sir, we have all textbook.
Just tell me about yourself.
Sir, we
Yes,
have to
sir.
write with pens. अरे यार. Sir, we have to write with pencil or the pen.
Pencil, pencil.
Okay, sir.
In the
Sir,
textbook you
we
are
are
asking
going
me,
to
right?
have
Yes, sir.
12 objectives. Lesson number 12 objectives.
Beta, when one boy is talking to me, you should know that you have to wait for me to answer him. Can I answer you all three together?
Sir, I
No,
have
sir.
taken yesterday only the book, so my all the exercise is left.
Ahad, you are talking about textbook?
Yes, sir. I have taken
Yeah.
yesterday only.
So let me first show you. Wait a minute. If you have bought new textbook, right? So cover page should be like this. Ahad.
Yes, sir. It is that only.
Okay. Now, if you are writing in this textbook, Ahad, then you have to obviously write with pencil only.
So that is where I'm asking. My
That is
mom
what I'm
told me,
confirming.
my elder sister said we write with pen. That's why I asked.
No, never, never. In never textbook, never write with pen. Because see, future if you want to give to someone, pencil will be useful. You can erase the answers. Not
Okay,
only
sir.
that, but also some changes will be done. So, okay. Anyways, those who are not having textbook, they can write the sentence as I have written on the board because I'm also not using the textbook here. Now, Ahad, as you are speaking to me, just read the first sentence.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. The exercise number 2, number 1.
No, first read the heading. Heading shows what do we have to do with the sentences, right?
Okay, sir. 2 minutes. I will
Two
read
minutes
that.
you will take. Come on,
Yes, sir. The heading.
underline the Okay, heading is underline the adjectives and mention their kinds. That means, hold on. That means you have to read the sentence, you have to find out the adjective. This is what you are doing in the first exercise also. But now you have to even mention the kind. What kind of adjective have you underlined? It is okay. So Ahad, read first sentence quickly.
Okay, sir. The girl who won the contest is very smart. The
What
whole
is adjective
school.
here?
Yes, sir.
What is adjective here?
Smart.
Smart or very smart?
Ah, very smart.
Very smart is adjective. What kind of adjective it is?
Adjective of quality.
Very good. Why is it adjective of quality? It shows what kind of girl. Correct?
Right. Yes.
Okay, beta. Thank you for answering me. Mute your mic. Boys, any doubt in first sentence?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir. No, sir, no doubt.
Steph, read second sentence quickly.
Yes, the
Okay.
hot
So Steph,
summer
first,
is already here.
very
Hot,
quick, no?
hot,
Very much in haste. Your train is running away. What is noun here? Noun.
Noun. Summer is a noun.
Why?
Proper noun.
Why? W-H-Y. Why? Question mark.
Mm,
Just because
because
it
it
is written in capital?
no, because it is a name of season.
Great stuff. That is what I wanted. It is a noun and hot is adjective. What kind of adjective hot is?
What kind of adjective? Demonstrative
Are you
adjective.
serious? Whose mic is on?
Muhammad Hussain Ansari.
Mohammed Hussain Hasan,
Ronit.
your mic should be mute. See, chef, you said demonstrative adjective. I think you have
Ad-
got mad seriously.
no, sir.
Demonstrative adjective.
No.
Either you speak
The,
or let me speak.
the adjective of quality.
Why it is adjective of quality?
Um, because because it shows quality.
Yes, what kind of summer season is very hot? Okay, great, very easy. Rabbit is speaking. Okay, mute your mic. What is the time, people?
24.
9:24.
9:24.
No issues. There.
Yes, sir.
Tell Rabbit not to shout so much. Okay. Shafiq, read the sentence, beta.
Yes, sir.
Read the sentence, beta. Third one.
Do not touch the
Do not touch my
sir.
belongings.
Bel-
Belongings.
belongings.
Yeah. Do not touch my belongings. Shafiq, do you know what is the meaning of belongings? Yes or
No,
no?
no, sir.
Okay, let me tell you. Belongings means the things which belong to me, my things. Do you understand now?
Yes.
So do not touch my things. In short, this sentence means that. Shafiq, I'm giving you one hint. In this sentence, you can see possessive adjective. Possessive adjective means what? The word which shows that whose thing it is. Now find the answer. Where is possessive adjective here?
Sir, my belonging.
Only mine. This is possessive adjective. My
Okay.
shows, right? Whose things? My things. So my, if you ask the question, whose, answer is mine. So my is possessive adjective because possessive adjective gives the answer to the question whose. Any doubts, Shafiq?
No, sir.
Students, any doubts in any of these three sentences? Hey, everyone, hello. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
sir.
No doubt.
So, if you don't have any doubts, in the next lecture we will continue the same exercise, but please make sure you even ask your friends to join the lecture. They will enjoy a lot because these things I'll never send a PDF for. Grammar answers are never sent. It is always explained how the answers are. It is practical subject, not theory, like English. So please try and ask your friends, call them up, text them that please join the grammar lecture especially because in the next lecture perhaps I'm going to teach you the letter writing different way formal or essay writing also. So these two things what we are going to discuss in the grammar part now. And yes, in the homework, try to solve the few other sentences. Though I'm going to solve it, you will have the answer. You can check your answers. Any doubts in any of the topic, then you can just call me in the evening. So have a nice day. Goodbye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
bye.
Sir, you have do
Bye,
any.
sir.
Bye,
What
sir.
happened?
Bye. Bye, sir.
Sir, you have
Yes,
done
sir.
Bye,
anything in
sir.
English?
Bye, sir.
Sir,
Sir.
Sir, recording is start.